Hi. Hi.
Well, hi to you too.
Ow. Okay.
This is no time for horseplay, Timon. You're supposed to be up there looking out for... hyenas!
That's just how I like it. Scramble. And a little bit runny. Get in here! What are you, I'm a sugar nut? Stumpy? Flinchy? Swiftier? What a relief. Everybody's... Where's Uncle Max? Run for your life! Right there! On the way! Almost there!
He saw the signs. He tried to warn us. Now, in our darkest hour, he's got a plan to save us all.
Run! The sky is falling!
Take cover!
When it comes to saving the world, it helps to be a little chicken.
I flinched when I should have scurried.
Oh, man. It just never gets old, does it?
Oh, the classics never do, honey.
I guess I owe everyone an apology. All right, so I made a teensy mistake. Like we all haven't broken into song on sentry duty before. Come on, let me have a show of hands. Okay. Maybe it's a little too soon, but I'm sure we're all gonna laugh about this someday. Trust me.
I did trust you.